Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a little get ready with me, but we're testing out an interesting product from Conair. Now this is the True Glow Glam Vibrating Makeup Blender with Standing Base. Now I saw this, it was like a free gift at Ulta, but I was able to track it down online. I will link it down below, but I don't understand this. So I've already put batteries in it and everything, so let me pull it out here. I already have my eyes and my brows done, just for the sake of this video not being very long. I'm gonna get demonetized for this. I swear to God, I'm gonna get a strike on my channel. So it comes with a blender, and it has a giant hole at the bottom that you stick the little vibrating thing in, and you turn it on, and it obviously it vibrates. I know that there have been, let me turn this off again. I know that there have been products like this, like vibrating automatic brushes and stuff, but I can't, y'all. Am I even allowed to show something like this on YouTube? That's what I want to know. Anyway, here is it in comparison to my wet beauty blender. It is fairly large, but I'm going to go wet it because that's what the directions say. Yeah, so I'm gonna go wet this and let's just pop my foundation on. Okay, so I've wet the sponge. It's huge, for one thing. So I'm just going to insert the little vibrator part and I'm going to prime my face with the Wet n Wild Glass Correct Primer. I have been trying this one out. I'm not sure what I think yet. It's like $5.99 or something at the drugstore, but I've been using it just to try it out. I wanted to do a more comprehensive review. It does have a little bit of a yellow tint and a little bit of an illuminating property to it. Okay, and I'm also going to go in with my e.l.f. Putty Primer just in my T-zone. This gets a lot of use from me. I'm doing this with my non-dominant hand, there we go. So I haven't done a makeup video in almost a month. I want to try to keep them to about one a month. If I have something weird like this I want to try, or just a more comprehensive review of a product, but I do make a weekly series like this on my Instagram where I do little mini reviews and talk about my favorite products or new products that are coming out. So if there's anything you want to see me try, leave it down below because I will pick it up if I can. Okay, now for foundation, I'm going to go in with my tried and true Pretty Fresh foundation from ColourPop. This is my favorite foundation. My shade right now is Light 70W because I do have self-tanner on, and I'm just going to stick it on this little silly sponge thingy. That's what I always do to put my foundation on. Let me read the directions of the sponge again.
Damp and touch water, the pot makeup blender into your favorite liquid foundation, turn on the vibration, and dab and bounce the blender along the skin to create a airbrush finish look. Okay, instruction book inside.
Blah, 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 place the battery, okay. Again, throwing it to the side. So let's just do this, I guess. So dabbing it into my foundation here, and let's turn it on. It does soak up a lot of foundation. Okay, the blender is on. I'm just going to pat this into my face then. Okay, why does this actually work? I'm sorry, what? And this is my problem side where I get all my breakouts is on my left side of my face. So I'm dipping it back into the foundation. I'm gonna go on the forehead now. Okay, why was that the easiest foundation application I've had in a long time? What the heck? Okay, the thing's the little vibrating part falls out, so keep your thumb on it or something because that's what she said. I had to do that, I'm sorry. So like that looks really good. I didn't want this to actually work because it's a ridiculous contraption and it's a little expensive, but what the heck, Conair. Oh my god, I can't. Like, my skin actually looks like good and it looks like blended out. Like, what the heck? I did not want this to work. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side of my face and I'll speed you through it. That's the foundation. I want to try it on like cream products. So I'm going to take my, actually I think I'm going to do my, let's do like a thicker cream product. So I'm going to use my Rare Beauty contour stick and contour just where I usually contour. I don't know why I didn't expect this to work, but like something about it just like helps blend the makeup so much faster. Like I don't get it. Trust me, I don't get it either. I didn't want it to work. like did you see that? Like a regular beauty sponge doesn't do that. I don't know if it's the sponge itself or let's test that actually. Turning off the vibrating portion of it. Yeah, no, it's definitely the vibration. I don't understand what it is about it that just makes it so easy to, like, I don't understand either. I don't understand the science behind it, but it like I'm not, it may look like I'm hitting my face hard, but I'm like not. If it's something about like the way it just like I'm barely tapping my nose right now, and it's like, and this isn't a sponsored video, by the way, so like, like this actually looks good. Okay, cream blush. The only thing I don't like is that it's kind of hard to turn on and off with like nails on, so that's something to note. I'm going to use my favorite Rare Beauty blush and or liquid blush and highlight combo. Just do a couple dots of Hope. I have a little mini version. I haven't been able to find the full size. And a dot of their liquid illuminator and Enlighten just on the tops of my cheeks. And I just kind of blend this out. Okay, this does soak up more of the product with this, but I've been applying my makeup almost with like all brushes recently, which is new for me because I never used to do that. Yeah, so I don't like this as much for the Rare Beauty products, but the contour looked fine. With the liquid products, I've been using a brush anyways, so let me just pop these on again. And just do a little bit more, just to kind of blend that out some more. Overall, I'm really impressed with that sponge though, like for my foundation, it looks so good. And like full coverage, definitely, although it may be my foundation. This is just a Real Techniques 046 brush I got at Marshall's. I get almost all of my brushes at Marshall's recently, because they have like the same brushes you see at Ulta, but for like half the price. So we stand Marshall's here. Okay, concealer next. Taking my Rare Beauty concealer and just popping that inner corner, bridge of the nose, and flick it out at the edge of my eyes there. And again, we're going in with the blender. This like is a little too big for under the eyes, but it is working. Actually, it's working really well. And again, you can almost like just like hold it there and let the vibrating do the work. Like honestly, it like, okay, yeah, this doesn't feel good under the eyes, but I don't like that actually. So I'm going in with my regular beauty blender now, but why does this actually work? Like, honestly, I did not want it to work this well because it's kind of a ridiculous concept, but like my face looks so good, and that was like a really quick application of everything. Okay, time to set my face. I have my Revolution Bacon Blot Powder. This thing has been through it, as you can see, because it's like destroyed. I put this under my eyes. The other thing I've wanted to try, but I don't know if it'll work on my skin tone, is the pink under eye setting powder. Like, I know like I have the Rare Beauty powder that's a little bit pinker, but like this is what I'm using right now. But I don't know. And I'm still not 100% sure how I feel about this Rare Beauty powder either. I like it. It's not my favorite powder ever, but I'm gonna use the rest of it. Okay, that is most of my face done. Let me throw a lip and my bottom lashes on, and I will get right back to you for a little wrap up. Okay, final thoughts on the Conair True Glow Vibrating Makeup Blender. I liked it. I think it's a little bit big for like under the eyes, but it blended out my makeup so fast and nice. For $22.99, it is a comparable price to the Beauty Blender, but I think that unless you're like really into it, or if you really want to just give it a try, you can totally buy it. Would I recommend this for everyone? Probably not, but for someone like me who likes to try out a bunch of weird makeup, it's okay. Again, I love the way my face looks right now, and I love how easy it was to blend out my foundation. It didn't absorb tons of product, it did absorb a good amount, but I think my Beauty Blender almost absorbs more. But again, for the everyday consumer, I don't think you need this. I will link it down below. There are also a ton of them being sold on like eBay and Mercari and Poshmark, so go there first is what I'm gonna say, if you don't think you're gonna be using it every day. But yeah, I will link it down below. Again, this was not a sponsored video. Also, shout out Conair. I love all of the products I've tried from you right now. If you guys like this video and want me to try out more wacky makeup products, go ahead and subscribe so I know you want to see more, and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you're going to pick up this Beauty Blender, because I want to know how many people are going to really pick it up. So I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching to this point, and goodbye.